Good morning. This is what I'm currently seeing right now. Anyways, I have a little bit of a busy morning indoors. I have to do some extra editing because we are going out tonight for a birthday. So I'm not really gonna have the night time to do that. And yeah, I figured I would just show you what my morning is like, and what better way to do that than with breakfast. So I'm gonna be making my favorite breakfast. It is oatmeal. I was like the biggest anti-oatmeal person for so long, but I feel like that is because I didn't really know how to like set up a really good bowl and make sure that I was getting everything in there. I thought a lot of the time that oatmeal was just supposed to be like this bland little thing that just tasted like peaches here and there, and I didn't really know that I can put stuff in it. I'm going to show you how I make my loaded oatmeal bowls that I have been loving for so long now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously grab a little bowl. These bowls are from Amazon. They came in a little set. They're supposed to be like a cream color, but honestly they came out to be this cute little green, which I don't mind. But so you're gonna have to pick out some oats. I usually use these are just quick oats. They're honestly the most regular thing. Since I'm all out of those, I have to use these steel cut oats from Quakers. They're in like these tiny like little pieces, and they're a lot harder. But the difference between these two are these are just regular oats. These oats are cut against the grain, just makes them like a little bit more crunchy in my experience. I don't know, if you're a texture person, definitely go with like the regular oats. I think the crunch makes it a little bit more interesting. But all right, also to my bowl, I'm gonna add some pink Himalayan salt. I'm literally just gonna do a dash of this. For some reason, I feel like it tastes much better when there's a little bit of salt in the oatmeal. And then I'm gonna toss it in my microwave. You can totally do this like stovetop, but I just wanna toss it in my microwave, and that's gonna take like 2 minutes, I believe so, but let's get it going. Figured this is better placement so you can see what I'm actually doing. But now that our oatmeal is done, this is what it looks like. Steel cut oats are a little bit different than regular oats, but and quickly, the thing about oatmeal is that it's so customizable and you can literally add anything that you want. This is just what I add, and all of the things that I already have in my home that are handy to me. Go ahead and do whatever you like. You wanna make sure it's like a little bit of a thicker consistency and not runny. It'll absorb any extra water while we put everything else in. And I don't do this in like a particular order. I just add whatever I feel like it. So I'm adding some organic unsweetened coconut chips. This is really nice. It gives it like an extra crunch. Then I'm gonna do a tiny bit of chia seeds. Boom. I'm also gonna use some flaxseed meal, the tiniest little bit, but the flaxseed and the chia seed are just gonna help with like digestion. Next, I'm putting some of this protein like granola, and granolas are technically oats in like a drier form, but I usually put this in my regular oats because I like it to be a little bit more crunchy. But especially if you're using the steel cut oats, I think the crunch is what makes it more enjoyable. So I'm gonna just add some cinnamon to the top of it for some extra flavor. And I think a good rule of thumb is to flavor half of the bowl. Do half if you don't know how much to do. If you know how much you want, just do the entire thing. I'm then gonna drizzle some honey. I know I like a lot of honey because it's like my only sweetener that I put in there, kind of. And I've been also adding peanut butter, but this time I'm gonna add this hazelnut spread from Sprouts. It's basically just like Nutella. Kind of drizzle it over the top and see what happens. Then I'm gonna add some berries to it. You can also put bananas are really good, some strawberries in there. But I usually just like to put the raspberries and the blueberries. Alrighty, so this is pretty much what that looks like. It honestly just looks like a cute little breakfast out of a magazine. I try my best not to put like any extra sugar in there, which is why I only put the Nutella. But this is pretty much what my breakfast looks like majority of the time. So easy, not much, if any at all, effort to make. And hi kitty. And I definitely recommend for anyone who is kind of on the go and doesn't really know what to make for breakfast. I feel like oatmeal is also a really like super easy thing to spice up. So you can even make like a protein bowl for after your workout. So just toss a little bit of your protein powder in there, put your peanut butter, put your little fruits. You can also do like a very sweet one if you want to do like a sweet strawberry cheesecake type feel. I would definitely recommend, if you're gonna like do some more oatmeals into your morning routine, start off with like the flavored ones if you don't know what to add. I used to buy like the little instant packets of the Quaker Oats ones, and those had like peach blueberry flavor, so you didn't really have to add too much to it to begin with. Definitely experiment, see what you like, and yeah, oatmeal bowls for the win now. Thank you for watching. I know this video was like a little bit more quicker, but I just wanted to cover a few different aspects of my life and what I like to do, what I like to eat. So if you want a little bit more focused videos like this, super easy, super simple ideas, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you for watching.